Hey guys, and welcome to another video here on DankiCodeBR channel. My name is Guilherme, or you can call me Gui, and I am CEO of DankiCode in Brazil and also web developer for almost 14 years. And my platform today has more than 300,000 students. And just for you to be aware of my situation today and how I deal when I start to feel depression or anxiety. Of course that nowadays I learned some techniques and that's what I want to share with you. But before we go to the content, please consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel for that I can keep bringing you content that I hope that is going to help you. Okay, and that's it. Let's go to the video. I don't want to stay here talking like for 20 minutes, 30 minutes because I can, because I have experience in this area. Because in the last 14 years, I suffered a lot with anxiety. I also have depression. All of this because programming. But programming today is my life. Of course that now I have more important role as a CEO. I don't have to do as much programming as I used to do before, but I learned some techniques. And the technique that I want to share with you is basically before you start to feel overcharged, or when you feel like you are going to have a burnout, or when you start to feel like you are depressed, because programming does that to you. You stay depressed. And the trick here is you to basically stop before it even starts. That's the trick. So today, for example, I'm programming and I'm coding some system for my platform that I do sometimes. Even nowadays, and I start to feel tired, or I start to feel like burnout or imposter syndrome. I don't have these things nowadays because I developed some techniques. And for you that are dealing with that in programming, all I can say for you to heal this and you become even stronger is for you to stop, to take a break. That's the secret. And if you are asking, okay, but I'm already depressed and I'm already with anxiety, how to deal with this? You stop and take a break. That's the secret. But once you learn this technique, the next time, once you heal and you start to feel tired again, and depression, and burnout, and imposter syndrome that is very common nowadays in programming, especially, you take a break. Because, okay, that's my technique and it works for me. I don't know if it's going to work for you, but try, okay? And if you are feeling nowadays and right now, if you are feeling like anxiety, depression, and all that stuff, you need to take a break. And what is to take a break? It's basically you turn off your computer and take a break. Go walk with your dog, or go to do some exercise. These things work great for me, especially exercise. Okay, today I practice a lot of sports. I play tennis and boxing, and that's the secret. Because when you program, you forget to eat, you forget to look the time that you are sitting on the chair, and this is the secret. Okay, you stop before even begin. Okay, that's the technique. That's basically, okay, because when you take a break and before it starts, your brain is going to heal faster, because you are not in your 100% anxiety or depression. Okay, and if you are already with this, I can say for sure that you need to take a break. Because if you are already depressed and if you keep programming, it's only gonna get worse. Okay, But then you ask for yourself like, okay, but maybe I get better because I'm gonna get the job done. But you're not getting the job done because you are not at your 100%. It's very important for you to understand that. Okay? If you want to be a programmer that is always in a high level and your brain is working properly, you need to be at your 100%. And it's a lot of programmers today, they are with anxiety, depression, and all that stuff, and then they don't even know. And okay, but they don't even know, and how does that affect the brain? You are not going to be 100% when you are having this kind of stuff, okay? And that's the trick. You need to take a break, and my break, for me, what it works is practice sports and go outside, and literally I just turn off my computer, and that's it. I turn off my computer and I give myself like 1 week or maybe 3 days, and once I start to feel a little better, then I come back. That's the secret, okay? And I know that a lot of you guys have like jobs and you have deadlines, and that's okay, because when you work for someone, it's different than having your own company. Because in my company, I can do my time. I choose the time I want to work. That, of course, that if I don't work, no money, okay? But if you work for someone and you are asking yourself, okay, but how can I take a break? You ask. You need to ask. And in my company today, I have more than 15 employees, and if someone is not good, they talk to me, and I give to them like 5 days off or 3 days off. And you need to do that. If you work for some company or for someone, you need to tell them the truth that you are not feeling okay, and explain and ask for like 3 days off. I assure you that if you do that and keep your eyes always open, you are not going to have problem with this, okay? Because as programming, as we know, the brain also needs to train. You need to train. And I say that because I'm a programmer almost for 15 years. 15 years programming. And oh my God, I had imposter syndrome and anxiety and depression, all that stuff. And the thing that I learned is that you cannot reach to that point. You need to take a break before, and that's the secret. Okay, guys, I'm not going to prolong here. I'm sorry, I'm already talked too much, and I know that my accent is not at its best, but I'm trying to communicate with you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, because maybe this video for me is very challenging because my English is not at 100%, but I assure to you that each video that I keep bringing to the channel, I know that my English is going to improve, and I hope that for each video that I'm bringing here is going to help you guys, okay? I can help you with my tutorials, with my online courses that we are going to release very soon. But please consider the like and subscribe if this video helped you, okay? And comment below your feedbacks and ideas for our video in general, okay? I'm going to be very happy to answer you, and so we can interact, okay? Thank you so much, and I see you next time. Bye bye.